we have the live shots coming in of the Prime Minister landing at the airport in London, meeting with the diplomats there, and now he will be heading to the hotel where the Indian diaspora will be welcoming the Prime Minister. This is the Prime Minister's first visuals coming in only on NDTV anytime now. These are the visuals that are coming in after this. Now the Prime Minister will be heading to the hotel where the Indian diaspora will be welcoming. Today, Prime Minister will be meeting UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer and hold wide-ranging discussions with him. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's fourth trip to the United Kingdom since coming to power in 2014. He will head to the Maldives next on July 25th. PM Modi will hold wide-ranging discussions with UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer, covering trade, defence, climate, innovation and education. He will also meet King Charles III. The two countries will discuss defence and security collaboration, including military exchanges and cooperation on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence remains the big focus of India after this year. India's motivation and the focus is also on building stronger ties in the AI sector and boosting India's capability in the digital sector. These are the live visuals, viewers, coming in from the airport where the Prime Minister has just landed. And my colleague Radhika also stays with me, decoding the significance of this visit. India and UK are set to sign a free trade agreement in the backdrop of Prime Minister's visit to the UK. India and UK have been negotiating this bilateral deal for years, and now finally that stamp will be put on this deal. In the next 24 hours, we'll see more developments coming in on this key visit between India and UK. The relations are going to get stronger. India is also trying to negotiate a similar agreement, remember, with the US, and to decode that also, my colleague Radhika